So one of the unique things about our program is that once you've gone through most of the educational lessons and you feel like you have a good grasp on all of the concepts, every student has the option to write SEO content and then have it individually reviewed by one of our writing experts. Not by your fellow students, not in a group coach setting. Your content is reviewed by one of our actual writing experts. So this is your opportunity to apply the knowledge that you've learned, practice the actual craft of writing SEO content, and then having it reviewed and possibly published. Students who opt into these reviews then have a published sample of SEO content to share with potential clients. So it's perfect if you have little to no samples in your current portfolio, or if you want to create an SEO writing sample to demonstrate your new skills. To learn more about this course, sign up for our free writers training course at theambitiouswritersociety.com.